Hi guys, this is Tom Prickett and Stan Bartlett with Ford of Uniontown, and today I'm bringing you a 2024 Ford Maverick Lariat. This one is the terrain exterior. This one is the 2-liter EcoBoost with all-wheel drive. This one also has the FX4 off-road package. This one comes with the off-road wheel and tire and suspension. This one also has your spray and bed liner, which is nice, and your sliding rear window. And then if we take a look on the inside, this one does have your intelligent access. And you can see your roast interior, which is very nice. And there's just some bags in here from coming off the truck. I just wanted to get a video of it before it was sold. This one has your sunroof. So you get your 8-inch touchscreen there. You get your infotainment screen there as well. Here you're going to get your heating and air conditioning controls, your heated seats, your heated steering wheel. Your wireless phone charger is down there as well. This one has the upgraded, and to show you a little better here, the upgraded Bang & Olufsen sound system, which is nice. Power seat. And then back here, and again, don't mind the bags, these are just coming off the truck here. So you do get your fold down seat here. You get your charger there, which is nice. And again, you can see the full dash layout there. So 2024 Ford Maverick Lariat in the terrain color, 2-liter EcoBoost all-wheel drive. Please contact Ford of Uniontown, 724-425-5980.